Is this good, baby?
And sometimes they knot up also. If that happens, you can just put a warm rag or cold again, and don't rub it because it may make it more tender.
Okay.
And you can do Tylenol every 4 hours through tomorrow evening because
Okay.
maybe more festive tomorrow than today.
All right.
Is this good? Huh? Is this good? Ooh. They put it all in there. You're so cute. Okay. Say, I like that. All right, sweet pig. I'm going to come around here. Your little legs are getting... Can you scoot her up just a little bit? Okay, there we go. Hey, you're going to be up and running in no time, aren't you? You're going to be a runner. Okay, sweet pea. I'm sorry. Aren't your legs really good here? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sweetheart. One more, okay? One more and then we're done. Okay, we're good. Just rub it in there so it medicine gets in her muscle. Okay, baby. I'm sorry. And tonight when you get home, if you want to let her soak in some warm water with you, then you can pull the band-aids off. That way it doesn't. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Are we still friends?
This is fine.
I'm sorry. Okay, let me just clean this up and then you come back to kicking your table. Oh, I'm so sorry, y'all. I thought I had turned it on silent.
That's alright, don't worry.
Thank you. You're welcome. Bye.